Hello, I'm Claire. Today I will show you our new product, the TT124 two-way tour guide system. Whether on a factory tour or on a trip, two-way interaction between guide and guided enhances the experience and makes the event more successful. Now let's take a look at the TT124's appearance. The transmitter is the same size as the receiver, and as you can see, compared to my hand, it's smaller than the size of my pen. The weight of both the transmitter and the receiver is 72 grams. The lightweight and pocket-sized design is very portable. Next, I will show you each button of the TT124 two-way tour guide system. The on-off button is at the top, and the white one here is the charging indicator light, which turns red when you charge the device. The information displayed on the screen is signal, battery and volume channel. As you can see, there is a lock symbol here, which indicates that this transmitter is not locked. Pressing these two keys doesn't work. It can only press these two keys to adjust the volume knob, so that the user don't have to worry about accidentally touching the keys. It's also very easy to cancel the lock. Long pressing the lock button. After 3 seconds, you can see the lock symbol disappear. Then you can adjust the channel button. Then you can adjust the channel. Next, let's look at the attached microphone and headset. As you can see, it has a thick wire, which is not easy to break. The earphone has soft locks, which will fit your ears better and will be more comfortable. This TT124 two-way tour guide system is now reduced by 10% to October 20 back to the original price. If you are interested in it, please check more information at www.redcase.com or contact support at redcase.com for the best offer. Okay, bye bye everyone.